Hi, welcome to Wraps. My name is Ray Miller, and what you see here is a Classy Squeegee I designed and made. So this is actually another demonstration why this little ring right here is for. It's actually for the string and also a band. There's two different ways to do this. Rappers are notorious at putting things in their mouth when they're going this, so I want something really close. And if you're working on something, if you want something to drop it off real quick, you can drop it off. Also, when you're up high, you can just actually, when you're installing it and you actually drop it, it doesn't go far. And so all you have to do is just kind of go like this and keep on going. So it's a two-function thing, not in your mouth. Also, if you're high, you drop it. And if you're working on something, you can keep on working on it. And if you need it real quick, you just kind of grab it and kind of roll.